The AutoCAD trim command cuts objects to meet the edges of other objects, used by typing TR plus spacebar or finding it in the Modify panel. Type TR, enter. Select entities to cut. Press enter to close. If you want to extend with trim command, you can press Shift button. Type TR, enter. Press Shift button, hold. Select entities to extend. Enter to close. For practice, create circle with radius 100. Create circle to right. Distance 200 and radius 80. Create circle with TTR in the top. Set radius 100. Create again circle with TTR in bottom. Set radius 100. Use trim command to cut the circles.